So here at VAC, starting about 2 years ago here as the assistant director, the first thing that came up, it's getting to know people and getting to know the relationships of who does what and how their skills can match with the students' needs. So a big part of starting here early on was to get to know people and spending many hours probably building those relationships and getting capacities to be able to help the teachers here at VAC. But really, they led the way, and the teachers here are great in support. And as everyone here could know, it takes a whole team dedicated to the function of the school, to the managing of everyday tasks, but also to the students' needs and to their graduation success. What's great is our guidance counselor, our staff, our teachers are visible and available all throughout the school, and they're the first lines of communication with the students. There's not one specific thing I could mention that would identify everything that just happens here at the school. It's really those conversations. It's having a presence in the hallways. It's going to classes at the beginning, introducing ourselves, giving a personal ability to communicate with us at the offices, letting them know, introducing the guidance counselors, getting them to know other teachers around the buildings, other programs we offer, so that it becomes a community. The staff can sense when something is up with a student, if they're maybe alone or they're feeling anxiety, nervousness, something to do with a personal thing going on. They're so good at identifying and getting to the right resources that they need right away.